If you find yourself stuck in a survival situation, you're gonna wish you had one of these. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. Survival is important. This year, maybe more than any other year, it's a lesson that a lot of people have learned. Whether you are out camping and get lost, or afflicted by a natural disaster, the victim of riots, or displaced out of your housing, you may need to go into survival mode. And there are a lot of things to have when that happens. But if you want to stay connected to the world, have the tools to navigate around, this is a emergency radio here, but it's got a lot of really cool features. It's the latest generation of this. It comes with a micro USB cable here. It comes with a 3.5mm cable right there. Comes with a little instruction booklet, which is good, but I think I'm gonna just try to figure it out on my own. First of all, it's got a great little compact design. It's kind of triangular. It's plastic construction, so it's very light, but you can see here that everything about this is just kind of cool looking. First of all, this handle here pivots, so you can move it out of the way, and you have a nice little handle to grab it. And what I want to show you on this side, there is a little crystalline solar cell right there. So that will charge up the battery if you don't have power. And a lot of times if you're on the road, if you are away from home, maybe you are in temporary housing and you don't have power, you can charge it off the sunlight. In fact, if I flip it around here, what you might be able to see, there is a little battery indicator right there. And if I catch the light on it, you can see that battery indicator is lit up. So it's actually charging. Now, if I move it away from the light, you can see no more light hitting the solar panel, and that battery isn't charging. So that's really cool. It's a really nice passive way to charge up the battery. But if we flip it over here on the bottom, we have another way to charge it. Maybe it's kind of dark where you are, kind of overcast like it is today on the top of the mountain. Right here, flush with the body, is a handle that flips out like this, and this is a crank dynamo generator. So if I crank it like this, and what you can see is that little battery light, as I crank it, will go on too. So it will actually charge up the battery as well. So even if you've been letting this sit around, it's been in your bug out bag, it's been in the trunk of your car, the battery's completely dead, don't worry, a little elbow grease will power this little bad boy back up. The other thing that's really cool about this is that on this side right here, we have a flashlight. And the power button for it is right up here on the top, this little rubberized button. So if I hit that, we have a flashlight that we can use to navigate around in the darkness. So again, a really great little tool. On the opposite side here, we have a little rubber cover. And what you can see here is if I pull this up, so that'll keep out dust, debris, and water, we have the 3.5mm headphone jack, we have the micro USB cable, and we also have a USB port right there. So you can use this as a portable power bank, charge up your cell phone. And then we have on the top here as well an extending antenna. Now this might not be something you're familiar with because you just live in the digital age under a cloud of the internet. But radio frequencies travel over the air, and you can get weather reports, news, those types of things, which are going to be really essential in emergency situations. Now, that takes us to the front of the radio here, and what you can see is we get the power button right here, turn this little bad boy on, volume controls, and I'm going to go to...
Switch to Verizon and get unlimited plans starting at $35 per line per month with 4 lines on Star.
This button here will advance.
$50 off our best Android.
You can change the band right here to AM or FM. If you hold it down, it will scan.
Eden's in fine shape on the Kennedy, about 28 minutes.
And then we have the weather band. And then the line in with the 3.5mm headphone jack. So not only can this keep you connected to the real world, get you any emergency alerts, weather, news that might be really relevant, especially in an emergency situation, but, you know, if you're camping or something like that, you can just stay connected and be entertained as well. Listen to a little moose sack. So this little radio is great. I can't wait to take this with me on my next weekender trip. It's definitely going to be my go-to. And the great thing about this is that it is chock full of tools and usable resources, and it's not expensive. So if you haven't done a lot of prep yet, I would suggest picking up one of these. I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out. If you find yourself...